Hello, man. Y'all are chilling out with Chris537 up here in Cincinnati, Ohio. And had people ask me about all my Commodore stuff. Helped out a lot of people. And got quite a few people back into the scene. Either way, it's a win-win situation for me, man. So just want to kind of show you around. Let you see what we got. Don't hate on me for what I got, because I rescued a lot of this equipment, man. I got RGB cable right here. Got a lot of disc. I rescued this stuff a long time ago. A few months ago. It's a lot of Computer Gazette stuff. Got a lot of blank floppies that I always need for BBS purposes. Got a lot of blank floppies, 5 1/4s that I need for especially my PAL machine when I like to play with demos. If we go in here, we got some paper, track feed paper, probably got about 7,500 to 10,000 sheets, and a printer that I'm actually going to use, which is a good old Star printer. I got a Gemini that's like the same exact model. We got pets everywhere, which is pretty cool. All these are dead and need repaired, but somebody's got to do it. My recording little studio setup I'm setting up for the SID show. Got a 6580 on the left, 8580 on the left, and a 65 what was that, 6581 on the right. The woman kind of distracted me going out the door there. Yeah, we got the Tempo Stereo SID Commodore. Got the Messiah cart. Got the SID Symphony. But like I said, man, I've been working on all this for a while. So this is what's going to get me online. Even though I stalled out on telling you what was going on. But yeah, that's all the pets that are down here. They're everywhere. So that's the beginning. So we're going to go out to the garage, bust out the keys, and say what's up. And we got banana trees getting ready to get planted out this year. And I thought I'd show you the garage. So in here is my leftover stuff. I went through most of it. I got a lot more pets down there. Some more public domain disc that we're going to have to back up. It's all club disc from out in Indiana. We got a few more pets down in here. Commodore stuff. Got a ton of pet printers and monitors. It's probably more than you're going to see in this video. There's printers and monitors all the way down as far as you can see, man. And we got a bunch of public domain and copied disc. A couple printers that you will never see, especially if you're a regular Commodore guy. A couple cool things. I'm just going over everything pretty quick because you only make a video so long. And there's the old telephone with the modem on it that you rarely come across. It's got an RS-232 on the side of it. Got a lot of neat shit, man. Got the old port maker. And there you go. Got a lot of rare stuff up in here. Data switch. And then we go over to this side. We got computer monitors. A lot of these are dead. And I'm going to have to repair them. But I'm pretty decent on monitors. I got down there is what, a 1802. Oh, that's a pet printer. 1526. A bunch of books. Boxes of cords. Every cord you ever need, man, if you like Commodores. Got this kind of printer country over here. Got more printers down there as far as you can see, man. There's a lot of stuff I wanted to salvage and save for my own personal use. This bin here, we got a lot of cool stuff for the pet. It's kind of the pet box. Got a bunch of these around. I think I got a whole box of those. Got a lot of head drive cleaning units, stuff like that. And just remember, my car isn't any louder than honking your horn going past your house at 4 a.m. We run the open headers on that baby. There's stuff everywhere, man. Even got one of these that you'll never find. Still sealed in the plastic. So yeah, that's about as much as I cleaned out so far after all this time. It's been 2 months. People wonder why I don't call bulletin boards. Even though I'm a sysop of 2 bulletin board systems, we've been going to town, man. Repairing a lot of stuff. All these pets out here are untested. So that's kind of my next goal, is to test those and start moving stuff. So let me show you the inside of the house. So I'll put on pause here and I'll be right back. So as y'all know, I am a ham operator. Got my antennas up here on the roof. About 80 something feet in the air. You can see up through the trees. Yeah, we're going to go back inside. Making some chili today. So I'll stir up some chili. And I showed you the band room, so let's go upstairs. Show y'all what's up. Besides what's down here, I do got a couple bins of power supplies. Which will help out in the long run. Hard stuff to find, and I'm pretty blessed to be able to come across it. Because it's stuff you don't find every day. Like I said, please guys don't hate on me for all this shit. It's going to go in the garbage. And I was lucky to bring it all home. There's all my... This bin here strictly video and serial cables. I found this pet out of the bunch, which I thought was kind of cool. Oh, I sealed it up. But it has some neat boards inside. Got a box of books. I got boxes and boxes of books. But a lot of stuff hard to find, man. So I was very happy to come across all this material. Commodore compiler manual. There's all kinds of stuff. Got a black drive for the +4. Speaking of +4s, we got some +4s down here. We got 3 of them untested. We got this hybrid 1541 I came across with the IEEE. I don't know how the hell they did it. It's got a lot of interesting stuff inside. So we're due to try that out. make it work. And just going as fast as I can, man. Came across some of these big schematics. This is for a 1982 Commodore 64. Got every part on there, everything you need, man. So I thought that was kind of cool from 1982. I was thinking about putting those in a picture frame. Little cartridge stash I came across. Got a bunch of carts. Club disc and blank disc. Got 4 SX64s, which is my personal stash. So it's nice to take the shows because I'm hoping I don't have to bring a whole lot of equipment this year if I do the VCS show. And then we got the bulletin board systems. I keep this off because I like to keep my chips cool on my bread bin. This one here always stays together. We do got the email computer. This is the one I am testing for selling. And we got it hooked up to the NIC 64. Over here we got 1581, the Thunder Drive, 41.2, 1541. There's a couple other 1541s I've been recently testing, 41.2s. And then we got some 41Cs. And a nice brownie. Little soldering station. 128D. I forgot to move the water bottles. I was trying to be pretty about this room. Oh well. You get to see my room how it is, man. But that's my 128D. That's actually a DCR. It's kind of my test bench clusterfuck working area. Controllers, because we've been working on PlayStations. And we have been playing with Sega Genesis. And Atari. And we're all around the board, man. So I'm not strictly Commodore. We've got our modded PS2 drives. I don't want to stack them higher than that, but we got a bunch of 81 stuff that kind of keep it in the stash, I guess. So that's kind of the computer room area. PAL Commodore, like you've seen in previous videos. 7141, a VIC 41. My Amiga 2000. And board I've been working on out of a 2040 CBM drive. And other chips that I need and take out and put back in. Amiga 500. Super drive. And last but not least, my 4 meg expansion. Here's a couple more SXs for all you SX64 guys. Those are parts. 1541 board I've been working on. Yeah, I got the +4s, all that. And I'll show you the next room. So the next room is the radio room. That's where I keep all my media at, besides the media you already seen and stuff, but it's all my floppies, CDs, blah blah blah. MFM hard drives I play around with. And remember these 20 megs. Ham radio gear and CB gear, every other kind of gear. So we do ham radio, all that kind of stuff. And it's kind of my hobby. But yeah, that's just a little bit of stuff too. So let's go upstairs. Some of you guys been up here. Some of you SX64 guys are probably jizzing, because guess what? There's another one. I don't know how many SXs are up in here. Floppy disk drives. This is a SFD clone. It's actually SFD boards, but it's got a Ford MFM hard drive in there. Something I've been working on. It's in a 51, I want to say a 5150 box. Don't hold me to it. But it's something we've been trying to make work. A bunch of boxes, computer monitors, all these work, but they're club material. Joysticks for club and show purposes. This is my personal box. A bunch of Commodores and boards in there. Parts keyboard. Got a couple pets up in here. There's a 128 I'm thinking about using for that Commander box, which I didn't show you downstairs. I'll show you before the video's over. Got some 8031s. 8031s. I'm so used to saying those numbers, but the 2031s, they need transformers, but they do work. And stuff you don't see every day, man. So I just wanted to share. I've got my pets up here. Got Super Pet. Got the 8032s, some 4016s. A little bit of everything. 2001. Some old ass PCs. These are like 200 to 400 megahertz. And then got my more personal stash I use for shows. CBM drives. That board that was upstairs is out of this actual 2040. Try and get it working. Got 8050. A couple other drives around. And we got a bunch of 1541s. This whole stack here needs repaired. Other than the 1571s. Pretty sure all those are good. Got our K-Pro. So I know a couple K-Pro guys out there. Got more 1541 2s. Got my MSD drives on the bottom. They do work. A bunch of Commodore 64s. All these are working units in the left row. Everything in the right row needs replaced. Well, repaired. So it's gonna be a lot of work for me and my homies, man. All these need repaired. So we've been getting into it, man. That's kind of why I thought I'd shoot this video. I thought y'all get a kick out of it. Commodore 64 Country, baby. So it's a whole bunch of stuff. Stuff. Monitor that works. Get this out of the way here. This is, I think, my other 8050 drive that I got working. Yeah. And then back in the back room here. Guess what? There's more Commodore pets. And then we got bins of data sets. The old and the new. Some still in the plastic. Got a bunch of blank floppies. I ain't gonna try to lift all that up while I'm videoing, but you get the picture. Got a bunch of data sets. And a bunch of stuff that needs thrown away up here too. If you're a radio guy, there's an old Siltronics free counter. You never see these, but I am a town owner of it, and you never see them either. We do own 8-tracks. So yeah, it's my computer kind of stashed all up and down through the board, man. Got rotary phone that works. Pet Country. It's kind of like a Commodore house up in here, man. All my ham radio cables for my radio comes in through the wall back behind all these banana trees starting to sprout out. And it goes downstairs through the floor, but you can't see that. Hell yeah, guys. Figure you enjoy the video. Got a video digitizer for a Amiga. And I also have this video equalizer, thanks to Sherry Gold. Speaking of kudos to people, I would like to thank Mitch for helping me out with getting these going. All this stuff. I'd like to thank Daryl up in Indiana. Couldn't do without him. Sherry's gave me a lot of stuff. Good old Oliver, David Whitmer, all them good guys from the Cincinnati Commodore Computer Club. Use those for shows. Yeah, there's a Commodore 16 back in there that actually works. But yeah, I want to thank all you guys while I'm making the video anyway. That's a junker, needs a power supply, damn it. Tone generator. We got everything we need, man. I'm going to show you this last little command center, and then we're going to shut off the video. So I hope you all enjoyed my video. This is what I'm working on. I'm probably going to take one of the 71s from upstairs and slap her in there. Oh, yeah, we got a good old K-Tech command center. I'll take that 128 I was showing you, and I'm going to put it up here after I dig a 1902 out of the garage. And I was thinking about putting this up in there underneath it, but I think it's going to be too bulky for my table. And Mike Maxfield's Commodore, if he ever comes up and gets it. It's a daily Commodore, one I use every day. With Jiffy DOS and a 64C in the back that has Jiffy DOS I use all the time. Keyboards that I've been repairing and parts. 82 board. Couple drives. Super graphics. Yeah, we got a little bit of everything up in here, man. And to make this shit happen, we got the old Heiko desoldering iron. So it makes things a little easier than doing it the way I was doing it before. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video, man. And I'll see you around the bulletin board industry, IRC, Facebook, or wherever y'all catch me. Thanks for watching it, and y'all take it easy. Thanks for the support through everything. I really appreciate it more than anything, because I couldn't do it without you guys as well, with your knowledge, my knowledge, things we gained from each other like brothers, man. It means a lot to me. So take care, y'all.